you got a surprise watching the onion burn and the coconut burning on the gas. What we are making today, very interesting recipe, very interesting recipe. So what I did, after roasting the coconut on the gas, I scraped out all it had become too black, so just scrape it out. See, so I scraped it out a bit, and yes, I've chopped some of them into a few pieces here. Okay, and the onions, we will peel the onions also. What is the measurement, everything I will tell you. But first, let us know what the recipe is. Today's recipe is a very special recipe, and that is Khandeshi chicken. Now, what is Khandeshi chicken and what is Khandesh? So let me give you a brief story about Khandesh. So Khandesh, yes, it is part of India, very much part of India, and it is part of Maharashtra. Okay, and where it is located, it is a central region of India, northwestern portion of Maharashtra. All right, and that area, okay, forms Khandesh. Which area now is particularly part of Khandesh is the East Jalgaon area. Then was Khandesh. Okay, now there is a little bit history here. Okay, about Khandesh and from where that name came into picture. All right, after a bit of little research, what I found out was, okay, the name Khandesh is derived from the Khan, title given by Ahmed I of Gujarat in 1411 to 1443 is what he has lived. Okay, and it was given to Malik Nasir, the second of the Faruqi kings. In 1906, when Khandesh was divided, East Khandesh became the present day Jalgaon. So this is the bit of story about Khandesh. Very interesting thing I also came across was of Nasik or Nashik. The Nashik division is one of the 6 divisions of India's Maharashtra state and is also known as the North Maharashtra. The historic Khandesh region covers the northern part of Maharashtra in the valley of Tapti river. So 5 districts basically come under Khandesh: Nandulbar, Dhule, Jalgaon, Nashik and Aurangabad. So this is what I could make out a bit about Khandesh. Let's get back to the recipe. Today we are making the chicken Khandeshi, and let's see how to make it. So let's get started with the recipe. You have already seen me burning the onions and the coconut. So the burnt coconut I have already scraped. In the Khandeshi region, which is wedged between the Bhil region and the Marathi, there are more than 1 million people speaking Khandeshi language, is what I have come to know from all my research which I have done. Now let's get back to our recipe of making Khandeshi chicken. So be with me till the end of the video. Don't skip anything, very important. Whatever measurements I'm giving you, ensure that you follow them perfectly, because that is very much important for this recipe. So basically there are 3 dominant flavors in this recipe. One is the coconut, onion, coriander seeds. Now what the measurement is, the onion has to be little more than the coconut. So this is almost 2 onions and they're almost 144 grams. Okay, and half of this I've taken coconut. So coconut is around 75 grams. 75 to 80 grams you can say the coconut is, and I have taken this around 35 to 40 grams. So this is the base masala. and the measurement has to be correct. Then we need certain more spices, okay, which is here. Spices. So for this also I've taken a measurement. I've taken around say 1.5 inch cinnamon, a small piece of mace, around 5 cloves I've taken, 2 badi elaichi. I've taken here dagad phool, kalapasi, around 1 teaspoon. This is half tablespoon whole zira, half tablespoon I've taken fennel seeds, and half tablespoon I've taken pepper. So all these will get roasted. I mean, we have to blend all of them together. All right. So what I will do is I will chop this and I will chop this and I'll get back to you. We have here onions chopped. Okay. Now you don't have to wash this onion once you roast it on the gas. No washing it. We have roasted our coconut and chopped it. We are going to roast this again with the dry masala. We will dry roast all this first. And chicken I've taken is half kg chicken. All right, it is cleaned and washed chicken. To this we are going to add some red chili powder and some turmeric powder. Now I'll marinate this and I'll keep it aside. Amazing aroma. Just adding the coconut also. We'll just dry roast them for 2 minutes. Awesome. I'll switch off the gas.
Remove it in a plate and let it cool down completely.
2 tomatoes. Okay, normally in Khandeshi chicken, I mean during that period, they never used to add tomatoes, but we are adding it just to give that sour taste to the chicken. And I would like to tell you that the coconut here, okay, has got an interesting story. During that time when the coconut used to be brought down to Khandesh, all right, they would start, because the travel was pretty long during those days, the coconut would develop a kind of odd smell. So to get rid of the smell and to preserve the dry coconut for a longer period, all right, they used to roast the coconut. Okay, so that would increase the shelf life of the coconut basically. Okay, so that's how the coconut, the dry coconut started getting roasted in Khandesh. So I'm going to add here some coriander and some coriander stalk. I don't throw the roots of coriander, so I am definitely going to add them here. All right. And the tomato. So you can take 1 big tomato or 2 small tomatoes. And we are going to blend this all into a fine paste. Then we need 2 small onions, slice them fine, because we are going to fry this masala separately and we are going to fry the chicken separately. So adding this all here. Blend this into a fine paste and I'll get back to you. Alright friends, so after grinding, this is how the paste is supposed to be. This is the Khandeshi chicken paste. It's just that I have not added in this ginger and garlic. If you want to add with this, then you need to add around say 3 tablespoon garlic and say 3 tablespoon ginger. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste in this right now. This 1, 2, 3 tablespoon. Now for 1 kg chicken, you require
2 cups masala. I have just added 1 more tablespoon ginger garlic paste here. So in total I have used 4 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. If you want to directly use chopped garlic and ginger, then you need to add 4 tablespoon chopped garlic and 4 tablespoon chopped ginger while you're grinding the masala. Be careful with your measurements in this recipe.
So I'll keep this aside. And water I used is 3/4 cup to grind this masala. Okay, and I'm taking half kg chicken, so I am going to use, this is 1 cup. The remaining masala you can freeze it. And we need 2 onions, we need to slice this. 1/4 cup oil I'm adding here.
This is my leftover oil in which I had fried the chicken. I'm using the same one. You can use fresh oil.
Bay leaf. Two medium-sized onions sliced. Fry the onions well. 1/4 and 1 tablespoon more are added. They've started turning pink. Now we'll add the chicken here.
Juice of half lemon.
Now I'll put this on the other gas and we will fry the masala in the separate pan. I'm going to add 1/4 cup oil now. Heat the oil. 1 cup masala. I'm adding half teaspoon salt here and half teaspoon I'm adding in the chicken. I'm adding another 2 tablespoon oil. I added 1/4 cup oil before and I've added 1.5 tablespoon oil. And you can see the masala is frying very well. It is coming together. Get the masala. I wish I could send you the aroma.
See, the color of the masala has changed. It's become little dark. Now don't forget to saute your chicken on the other gas while you're frying your masala here.
Chicken also is almost done, 80%. So this is how it is. Yummy. And this is the chicken. I've already added salt. I'm switching off the gas. Okay, and we'll come back to the masala now.
See, the masala has become little dark and it has dried out and it has started giving out oil. Now we want all the masala to come together. So we'll add little hot water and we will saute it very well till they all look like a paste and oil starts separating from it. That's when the masala is done.
The masala is coming together. Amazing. This is how we need the consistency, if you can see. This is ready. This is ready, and we will move our chicken here. You can see the chicken. I'm adding this masala to the chicken. All right. और खानदेशी चिकन बना रहे हैं आप तो तरी तो होना लाजमी है, उसके बिना उसे मज़ा नहीं आएगा। हा क्या बताऊं, बहुत ही मज़ेदार। हमने 1 टीस्पून सॉल्ट डाला था इन टोटल। मैं और आधा चम्मच नमक डालूंगी इसमें। आधा चम्मच नमक और 3 से 4 नींबू का जूस। Now add hot water over here as per the consistency of the gravy you want. I have added over here around 3 cups of water. You add water as per the consistency that you want. इसे मैं दम पे रखती हूँ फ्रेंड्स, और मैं आपको मिलती हूँ 5 से 6 मिनट में।
Extremely sorry friends, I forgot to add this half tablespoon besan to the 1 cup masala that we were frying in the pan. So I'm sauteing it right now in the pan and I'm going to add this to the chicken gravy.
Okay, this is roasted. I'll quickly bring the chicken. Quickly give a mix. Quickly. I don't want this to be a very, very thick gravy. I want this to be little thin, like a rasa. So you can say that we have added almost 3 cups water to this gravy. Okay. Slow down the gas. So I'll see you in another 2 to 3 minutes. Hello friends, let's check the recipe. Let's check the gravy. Amazing aroma. What to tell you? I don't have any words to explain to you. I wish I could send the aroma over there. This is super. Look at that. I mean, बहुत ही मजेदार. Let's quickly dish this out. Friends, the delicious Khandeshi style chicken. Friends, if you have liked this recipe, don't forget to give a like and share and subscribe my channel, friends. I will see you soon with another recipe. Till then, you take very good care of yourself. Be safe. Don't forget to make this recipe. Bye.